What's going on, guys? We got a super exciting package from Billy Bars here for the Tacoma. If you guys are new to the channel, we are doing a full Overland build for this Toyota Tacoma, also making it a really usable daily driver. And if you guys haven't seen any of my other videos, I actually got this truck wrecked off auction, fully rebuilt it, and now we're on the fun parts. So this right here is actually a tailgate cover that I'm sitting on. That's gonna actually make this truck a lot more usable for camping. It's gonna have some cup holders in there and it's gonna give it a really nice solid look. So let's open this up and see what's in here. You guys could do me a quick favor, hit that subscribe button. We got a lot more content coming for the Tacoma or any other builds that we have on this channel. You guys won't regret it. Thank you for watching. Let's get to it. Another thing I forgot to mention, I actually got these from Billy Bars as well. These are the quick release for the Billy Bars, so whenever I actually need to use the bed, like I said, I actually use this truck a lot for work and other things, actually use what a truck is made for. So this is gonna be awesome to quickly take off the Billy Bars if I ever need the full space of the bed. Check this thing out, guys. This is awesome. The quality of Billy Bars is absolutely unbeatable as always. They got their nice logo right here as well with the foam. This thing, solid aluminum. It's gonna be so much better than the garbage that Toyota comes with on here. I can't wait to put this on. We got the cup holders as well. Obviously it's gonna sit flush once we install it, but this might be the easiest install of all time. All we're gonna do is just remove all the screws that are on here and replace it with this awesome looking tailgate cover from Billy Bars. Let's get started. I'm too excited. All right, there you guys have it. The easiest, quickest install of all time. This is absolutely awesome. Super, super comfortable on the butt. So that's super important. Got the nice cushion if you're ever sitting on tailgate, drinking your morning coffee, looking at a river. Yeah, this is great. I'm super excited. If you guys really like this product, go ahead and go to Billy Bars. I will have the link in the description. Also, we have the crossbars, we have the molly panel, all from Billy Bars. The absolute most banger setup for Overland. Super easy. If you ever need to take these off, you guys saw I got the knobs. Super easy to take off and use your full bed. I am also getting a roll-in bed cover that will work with these. How awesome is that? So there's going to be a roll-in bed cover, fully accessible with the tent on top. Doesn't get any better than that. The biggest thing for me is to actually use my truck and have full function of the bed, and Billy Bars make sure you have that ready for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.